My dad and I went to Punggol once again, but this time we are flying the Blue Angel. It is based on a FA-18 fighter aircraft in real life, and it is the fastest plane that we have in our arsenal. You can see the numerous battle scars on this plane. Flying this plane is no easy feat. So exactly how fast and terrifying is this plane? Let's find out. This is the controller that we are using. It's a Futaba 8-channel transmitter. We always do pre-flight checks to make sure everything is in order before we take off. I hope you've enjoyed this week's video. Please subscribe if you haven't. It will encourage me to continue making videos. Thank you.